Hey guys, Yuto here from sachirecipes.com, and today I'm going to show you how to create delicious ajitsuke tamago, also known as nitamago or ramen eggs. We'll be making our own homemade marinade, and I'll also show you how to cook perfectly soft-boiled eggs. So first, let's make the marinade. Take a small pan and add 75ml of tsuyu sauce, 25ml of soy sauce, 25ml of mirin, 75ml of water, 10ml of sake, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Next, heat up the pan on medium and bring it to a boil. The reason for boiling this marinade first is to burn off the alcohol in the sake and mirin and mix the sugar in. It's important not to skip this step. When it starts to bubble, allow it to continue to boil for about 1 to 2 minutes. If you can't get tsuyu, I have a homemade tsuyu sauce recipe on my website. I have put the link in the description for you. I have also included a list of ingredients there with the teaspoon and tablespoon measurements if you need them. Once it's done, take it off the heat and leave it to cool. In the meantime, we're gonna boil the eggs. First, bring a pan of water to a boil and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt helps protect the eggshells and stops the white coming out if they happen to break. Add the eggs to the water and set a timer for 6.5 minutes. We want a gentle rolling boil so that the eggs don't move around too much. This also prevents breaking. You also want to make sure your pan is big enough and the water completely covers the eggs. One of the characteristics of ramen eggs is that they always have a runny yolk, so it's important not to overcook your eggs. While you're waiting for them to cook, prepare a bowl of cold water. I like to add ice to the water so that it's extra cold. We'll be transferring the eggs to the ice water when they're ready. This stops the cooking process and prevents them from overcooking. It also helps them cool down faster. Okay, 6.5 minutes are up, so let's put the eggs in the ice water. Let them chill for about 10 minutes and then we're gonna peel them. Gently tap them on the side of the bowl to crack the shell and then carefully peel it off. You need to be a bit gentle because they're soft boiled and can break easier than hard boiled eggs. We peel them so that the flavour of the marinade is going to be fully absorbed into the eggs. Finally, we can marinate these eggs. First, I like to dry the eggs so that the sauce doesn't get watered down. Once they're roughly dried, place them in a Ziploc bag. I like using Ziploc bags so that the eggs are properly covered in the sauce. If you use Tupperware or lunchbox, you might find the colour is uneven. If you're worried about the bag leaking, place it on a tray or in a bowl for peace of mind. Finally, pour in your marinade. It should be cool by now. Squeeze out any excess air and firmly seal the top of the bag. These eggs will be ready to eat in about 45 minutes and you can keep them in the fridge for up to 3 days. Enjoy them on top of the ramen or even on their own as a snack. So there you have it, easy and delicious homemade ramen eggs. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tasty Japanese recipes. I hope to see you again next time. Have a great day.